So let's show you again what we're just basically following through with what we've been tracking for you for the past couple of days, this big upper level disturbance. Basically, it's kind of a compact upper level low pressure area. You can see the rotation here, and this thing is just going to kind of come right across the southern part of the state, just like this, during the overnight hours. And so ahead of it, we have the milder air, which is why we've had the rain come through. But you can see how things are transitioning to snow behind it as temperatures cool from the top down. So the cool air starts up here and makes its way down to the surface. So right now it's transitioning some of this rain over to snow. So let's kind of break this down for you. So again, we have scattered showers now, but then as this thing comes across, we're going to see that organized band of snow come through late tonight, first thing tomorrow morning. And so this is about a 3 to 4 hour period of wet snow coming down, again, late tonight, first thing tomorrow morning. And then watch what happens. By lunchtime, this stuff has largely dissipated. There could be a flurry at any point during the day. And by the way, you folks here in Ontario on the southeastern end of Lake Huron, you may be dealing with some lake effect snow squalls. Yeah, it's March, but we're talking about lake effect snow squalls here, and maybe even some coming off of Lake Michigan in the western part of the state here. But for us, I don't think we see anything more than just some flurries. Now, this is Storm Tracker 4 here, and this is not a model. We have actual pavement sensors giving us actual data of temperatures of the pavement. And you can see that we are well above freezing. Now, it's noticeably colder to the north. You can see 30s to the north, but we have 40s for pavement temperature here in the heart of the area. So to the north, if the snowfall were to get heavy enough, after a couple, 3 hours, we may get that pavement close to freezing, and maybe we get a little slush, a little bit of accumulation. But most of the accumulation is not going to be on the pavement because of these mild pavement temperatures. Rather, it'll be on the elevated surfaces. And also, the higher terrain, we had the prop earlier in the newscast with Devin, being taller and the weather up there. Well, the higher elevation areas are going to be a little bit colder, so maybe you get a little more accumulation, some of the higher terrain in northern Oakland County, maybe perhaps down in the Irish Hills. But in terms of the actual system, north of I-69 is where we have the best chance to get greater than an inch of snow. So it's a weekend. You're going to wake up to that stuff. But let's talk about the wind chill real quick. So tomorrow morning when you wake up, 20s for wind chill, and we're kind of staying there in the 20s to perhaps near 30 degrees for wind chills tomorrow. And if you have Saturday evening plans, already in the teens in the northwest suburbs, 20s downtown. Then Sunday, waking up to single digits to near 10 for a wind chill, and through the day, teens to near 20. So it's going to be a very, very cold weekend. All right, 33 the overnight low. A couple of you may get a little bit below that, but highs tomorrow, mainly 30s, but maybe near 40, perhaps downtown with a breezy day. And then take a look. Now, our average high is 50. We are nowhere near that through Tuesday. Then we start a big warm-up, but that is ahead of another big storm with more rain, maybe starting off as perhaps some freezing rain Wednesday morning, guys.